Go.
Hi.
He did. Oh yeah, he did.
See, Thomas was hit by a train.
This is a type of bird. A really cool one. If you can see the brown in there, it's a really cool bird.
And Thomas was hit by a train and suffered a break to his right wing. At the time of the injury, he was still
A juvenile
and had likely been independent from his parents for only a short time. Despite from his parents for only a short time.
Despite from surgical repair
the wing
he was unable to run a normal flight. Hatch year 2015. Arrival at Mountainburg 2016. Say bye, Anna.
Bye, everyone.